Let's see this question. A alone can do a piece of work in 8 days and B alone in 10 days. A and B undertook to do it for $9,000. With the help of C, they completed their work in 4 days. Then how much is to be paid to C? Now if you observe this question is a kind of model where all of them are working together on the project, right? Therefore, if A, B and C, all of them are working together on the project, the time for which they work on the project is going to be same, right? And if you think that, see, what did we say about the profit? Profit that A gets is to profit that B gets is to profit that C gets will be in the ratio of work done by them, and the work done is proportional to rate into time, isn't it? Which means rate at which A works into time for which A works on the project is to rate at which B works into time for which B works on the project is to rate at which C works, and this. Now since all of them have started the project same time and they are going to see that it gets finished at the same time, therefore the times of A, B and C are same, so we can cancel it off. So in this case it is directly proportional to the rates, right? Okay. Now let's see this. They are saying that A can finish the work in 8 days and B can finish the work in 10 days. For C they didn't say anything, but when A, B and C, all of them work together, they are able to finish it in 4 days. 8, 10 and 4 are given. Okay. Now we have to find out the rates. In order to find out the rates, let's assume that the work is some amount. So which one, what will be a better number to assume? Maybe assuming 40 is a good thing. Okay, so 40 units, because it is a multiple of all these three, that is why. Now if that is the case, then what is the rate at which A is working? 40 by 8, which is 5 units per day. 5 units per day. And what is the rate at which B is working? 40 by 10, which means 4 units per day. And what is the rate at which all of them have worked? When all of them have worked, what is the rate at which they completed the work? It is 10 units per day, right? Now from this you can clearly understand that A and B have contributed 9 units per day, but when 3 of them worked, they are working as if it is 10 units per day, right? Therefore 1 unit is definitely contributed by C. So we got the ratio at which they are working, so we can directly substitute there. So what is the way we should share it? 5:4:1. Got it? So how many parts totally? 5 plus 4 plus 1, 10 parts. Out of 10 parts, 5 parts should go to A. So what is the total payment? Total payment is $9,000, out of which 5 by 10 is what A is going to get, right? And what about B? 4 out of 10, 4 by 10 of 9,000. So how to get this? This we are going to discuss in ratios and proportions, right? Now what about this one? 1 by 10 out of 9,000. Got it? Okay, so if you want to see it, it is going to be 4,500 and this is going to be 3,200, right? 3,600 and this is going to be 900. Got it? $900. So this is how you are going to share the profit. Fine.